Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how we can upgrade Windows devices from 24H2 to 25H2 using Intune Proactive Remediation script. So this is the one of the fastest method to upgrade your device from 24H2 and 25H2. And let me first show you the Microsoft documentation. So this is the Microsoft documentation, and we can see that we can upgrade a device from 24H2 to 25H2 using a enablement package. So basically Windows 11, 24H2 and 25H2 shares the common core operating system with an identical set of system files. And what we are going to do, we are going to deploy an enablement package so that we can activate this Windows 1125H2 using the enablement package. So this is one of the fastest way to upgrade your machine from Windows 11 24H2 to 25H2. So before enabling the enablement package, we have to make sure that machine should be on Windows 11 24H2 with the minimum version KB506408 preview or a later cumulative update. If your machine is on or above this version, then you can use the enablement package to upgrade your machine from Windows 11 24H2 to 25H2 with a very small setup file. And you must also have to reboot your device after installing this update. And one of the important point is that this update is applicable to enterprise education, enterprise multi-session, as well as home pro editions, as well as IoT enterprise version 2024. So you can apply this solution on any of the devices. So now let's see how we can do this. But before that, let me show you, this is my demo machine, and let me just type winver command and just want to show you that this machine is on Windows 11 Enterprise 24H2 and the build version is 261008037, which is higher than the required version. So we need 5074 and my machine is on 8037. So we can easily upgrade this machine using the enablement package. So to do this, what we have to do, first of all, we have to create a proactive detection and remediation script. So let me go to the scripts and remediations and let me create a script and let me give it a name. Under description this, and let me give it a name, upgrade Windows 11 25H2 using the enablement package. You can specify the name as per your organizational naming convention and click on next. And then we have to update the detection and remediation script. First, I will show you the detection script. So let me go to the scripts, and this is my detection script. And then we just need to leave for now remediation script. And then in this options, we have to select run script in 64-bit PowerShell. Yes, click on next, and click on next, and click on create. If you want, you can deploy this script on a set of devices for testing purpose. But what I will do, I will go to the Windows device and run a on-demand proactive remediation scripts. So this is my machine. And then we have to select the run remediation and select the script and click on run remediation. Now we can see that script executed successfully. So what will happen when you are running this script? It will create a folder in the C drive, program data, which is a hidden folder, Microsoft Intune management extension log. And here you will see a log called Windows 11 25H2 upgrade. If I open this log, and now you can see that detection is started, and these are the detailed information. Result is equal to non-compliant, remediation required, machine is on 24H2 build version this, meeting eligibility for 25H2 enablement package, but upgrade not yet applied. So Intune will trigger the remediation script. So now this is the detection script you will get. And as per the logic, script is saying that remediation required. Important point is that if your machine is already updated to Windows 11 25h2, then this script will not do anything, and straight away is saying that machine is compliant because that is already on 25h2. If your machine is not meeting the prerequisite, then it will also again not doing anything and marking the device as compliant. But in the Intune output, you will see that you need to upgrade your machine to the latest version, or use another method, like you can use the in place upgrade method to upgrade your device from old to new version. But for now, the requirement is your machine should have the prerequisite so that we can install the enablement package. And that script is going to handle this very well. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just close this and let me go to the Intune portal. And now this time, if you go to the detection and remediation script, click on this and go to the device status. Now here we can see that we are getting a status. And if you just see this pre-remediation detection output, click on review. We can see that non-compliant remediation required. Machine is on Windows 11 24h2 build version and eligible for 25h2 label bracket. Remediation will run now. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to update the remediation script, and then I will provide you the script link in the description section. So now click on review and save and click on save. And now if we again go to the devices and go to the Windows devices, select the device again, and then again run a remediation, select the script and click on run remediation. And now again, if you open this log, now we'll see that in a minute, it will trigger the detection script. Now we can see that detection script triggered, and now it will start the remediation script. And now we can see that remediation started. So basically it is downloading the MSU file from this location, and then it will save the MSU file in this particular location, C Windows 10 Win3225h2 upgrade folder. And once the MSU is installed successfully, it will just do the cleanup. Now we can see that here downloaded successfully, verifying the USA exe. And then here it is launching the silent installation, reboot suppress. This is the command line it is triggering with quiet and no restart. And then here we can see that USA exited successfully with 3010. Now, if you go down here, we can see that KB confirmed is installed hot pick list. It means now the KB is installed. Let me run a winver command again. Now this time you can see that machine is still not updated. But if we go to the Windows update and go to the update history, we can see that the update installed and restart is required to finish the installation. This is clearly saying that reboot is required, but this is not going to reboot your device. Click on next, and if you go the log, and you can see entire details here. In the last, it is saying that okay, installation completed, reboot required. And now whenever user is rebooting the machine, your machine will be upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now one more scenario I want to just show you. Now if this script is running again and user yet not started the reboot, what will happen? So let me again go to the Intune portal and let me again run remediation, and let me again run a remediation one more time. And now if we again go to the logs, and now we can see that again the remediation required, and then it will start the remediation. And in last, we can see that a reboot is still pending on the device. So what we have to do now, let me go ahead and restart the device. And now after reboot, if I'm running the command again, winver, now we can see that the machine is now upgraded to 25h2, and this is the version. And let me show one more thing. Let me open the Intune portal again. And if this time I'm again running the remediation script, and let me open the log again. Now we can see that in the detection script, it is detected that machine is on the 25h2, and that is why no remediation required and machine is already compliant. So this way you can use the proactive detection and remediation script to upgrade your machine from Windows 11 24h2 to 25h2 in a very fast way. So that's all for this video, and I will see you soon in my next video.